Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now tap on Get Started, click OK. Then tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard over here, choose OK again, and tap on Input Options. Over here, select LED keyboard one more time and pick one of the options about your ads. When you're done, you can finally select keyboard that you like the best by tapping on the chosen one. Now close the ad and tap on Get Theme. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that LED one was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!